see. You'll have to put another coat of this stuff on here because you can see it's a lot thicker than the primer. You can see where some of the bristles of the brush get off in there, but that's fine. Yes? Who? You are?
Huh?
You are?
I'm just seeing how it's going down here.
I'm just gonna put this coat on because I gotta let it dry for like 6 hours. I'm gonna try to put a coat on now and then before bed. That way it's painted up tomorrow. So you can tell this paint's the color's a lot thicker. So you can kind of see the primer sticking through. That's why you'll need to give it a second coat. So that's basically what it'll look like the second coat. You'll have to go back and give it that's basically what it'll look like the first coat. You'll have to come back and give it a second coat. And I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me do it and blabber on. So I'm gonna get this first coat on and then I'll be back.